Good day. Please introduce yourself.
Good morning, Mom. My name is Maria Julie Cordero. I'm 37 years old, single, and have no kids. I live at Barangay Mamares, Pututan, Iloilo. I have two sisters. I am the second child in the family. Our parents are already both dead. I am undergraduate of Bachelor of Science in Information Technology due to financial problems.
Okay, so due to financial problem, you are undergraduate. But then you have been into college. Can you tutor kids?
Yes, Mom.
Do you have a work experience as a domestic helper abroad before?
No, Mom, but I work here in Philippines as domestic helper for more than 5 years. They are 6 members in the family, my madam and sir, and their 3 kids, the 5-year-old girl and the 8 and 10 years old boy. My duties there are doing household chores like cleaning the house, cooking, washing and ironing clothes. But my priority is taking care of their children, and I also taking care of their pets.
Okay, what are the pets of your employer?
They have 1 cat and 2 dogs, Mom.
Okay, and who is the other one in the house of your employer?
My madam's mother.
Okay, so your madam's mother, is the madam mother already elderly?
Yes, Mom. She is 75 years old.
Okay, so but then the mother is the mother, it's the madam mother able?
Yes, Mom.
Okay, so and how would you describe your employers?
They are good to me, Mom. They treat me as the member of their family.
How would you describe yourself as a worker?
I am hardworking, honest, and trustworthy person, Mom.
Is there another helper in your employer household?
Yes, Mom. The one who taking care of my mother, my madam's mother.
Okay, so and then do you have any tattoo?
No, Mom.
Did you undergo to any kind of surgery before?
Yes, Mom. I had undergo 9 years ago, Mom. I had ectopic pregnancy.
Okay, so and then can you guarantee to your future employer that you can do all the hard works?
Yes, Mom. I can guarantee that I can do all hard works.
Why do you want to work abroad?
I want to work abroad, Mom, because I want to help my family and also I want to save money for my future.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, Mom. I love animals.
Are you willing to take care of a baby in Hong Kong?
Yes, Mom.
Can you sing a nursery song for baby or kids?
Yes, Mom.
Okay, please give me example.
The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels of the bus go round and round, all through the town.
Okay, thank you. Do you have a food allergy?
No, Mom.
Are you willing to share room with the kids or elder in Hong Kong?
Yes, Mom.
Are you okay if your day off is not Saturday or Sunday?
Yes, Mom.
And would you accept no day off but instead to be paid by your employer?
Yes, Mom.
And then if you are homesick, would you break your contract and insist to return home?
No, Mom.
Would you like to work with an employer who has many children?
Yes, Mom.
And are you willing to take care of elderly also?
Yes, Mom.
And are you willing to get up early in the morning and sleep late at night?
Yes, Mom.
Then, do you promise not to use your cell phone during working hours?
Yes, Mom.
Do you promise not to lend money in Hong Kong?
Yes, Mom.
Do you smoke and drink alcohol?
No, Mom.
Do you have full consent of your family to work abroad?
Yes, Mom.
Okay, please say a short message to your future employers.
Good morning, Mom and Sir. Please select me as your domestic helper because I can assure you that I am hardworking, trustworthy. I can work with under pressure, and I will finish my contract and I will extend if needed. Thank you and God bless.
Okay, so that's all for today and thank you for coming.